In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to fix Cash App license scan not working. 1. Focus on barcode. When scanning your driver's license, focus specifically on the pixelated barcode on the back. If you're having trouble, try zooming in on the barcode to improve scanning accuracy. 2. Manual scan. If your driver's license is too old or damaged for the machine to read it, you can click the Scan Not Working link and scan the code manually. 3. Take a clear photo. Ensure that you take a clear photo of your ID or driver's license. If necessary, use a better camera or ask someone else to take the photo for you. 4. Before capturing the snapshot, make sure your camera lens is clean and free from fingerprints and dust. 5. Be mindful of the lighting conditions when taking the photo of your ID. Too much light can cause glare, while insufficient lighting can result in shadows. 6. Clearing the cache of the Cash App may resolve the issue, such as crashing, freezing, or closing issues. And if any of these solutions didn't work, just try clearing or installing the Cash App from new instance, because sometimes it's an update or an app problem. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.